Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn Windows features on or off, as well as managing optional features on your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in Windows features. Best match should come back with turn Windows features on or off. Go ahead and open that up. And at this point, you should be able to see all the optional features on your system that are available. You would just click inside the box next to whichever feature you want to turn on if that was what you wanted to do. Otherwise, if you wanted to remove a feature, you just would empty the box. So just click inside of it to just make it a clear white square. And then you would select OK. And then once you're done with that, you go ahead and close out of here and restart your device. And hopefully I was able to resolve your problem. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.